How to change your home team in FC Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're playing FC Mobile and want to change your home team to your favorite club, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open the FC Mobile game on your device, whichever device you are using, and make sure you are inside this lobby page. Once you're in, go to the right side and click on Club. Inside the club option, select Locker Room. Inside Locker Room, go ahead and tap on Home Team. Now go ahead and select a different Home Teams option. Choose your favorite club and click Select, and you have successfully updated your home team. Return to the main menu and your selection has been updated. And that's it, you've successfully changed your home team in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.